Well, folks, I just ended one video on this, and look what happened. Wind's gotten harder, rain's gotten heavier. I'm doing 45. At least there ain't no lightning this time around. I was looking at the wind sock to see which way the wind was blowing from. It's blowing from west to east, and the wind sock was sticking straight out. So you know that's some straight line winds. And I was at work, and the rain started coming. I was on my way going back to the shop, stopped at a red light, and you can see sheets of rain just steadily coming up from behind me, going in front of the service truck. Never a dull moment in Louisiana. Let y'all see the lake, Lake Pontchartrain. Almost a pure whiteout. Car in front of me is a white car, and at least they got their headlights on so I can see their tail lights. I don't know if y'all can see them or not. And yes, all the bouncing from the camera is due to the wind. I know the causeway is somewhat bouncy, but not this bouncy. I just hope I don't get no water spouts since I'm on the causeway. That'll be very bad. I wear my sunglasses in the rain because it helps take away some of that glare of the rain in the air. It dulls it down some, so it makes it a little easier to see. At least that's what I find. Hey, I'm almost up the bridge. I'm at mile marker 23. I got 8/10 left to go. And the car in front of me slowing down. Got a causeway cop. Got his side marker lights on. I'm guessing he's checking the weather. That way they'll know if they should shut the bridge down or do a rolling convoy or whatnot. This is just a freaky ass weather, man. This is like hurricane weather. Heavy rains, high winds, very dangerous lightning. But yeah, this is what it was like during Ida. Well, I'm at the foot of the causeway for the North Shore, and I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. That way I can focus on driving. That way I ain't gotta worry about getting pulled over for having my phone out. But I'll see y'all in the next video. Later.